Hello class, Nelly Munoz again, and this time I'm gonna show you how I solved a brief exercise on chapter 8, exercise 11. And we are required to calculate account receivable turnover ratio and average collection period in days. And the problem said that suppose that in 2017 financial statement of 3M company report net sales of 22.2 billion, accounts receivable are 3 billion at the beginning of the year and 3.20 billion at the end of the year. I just passed this information here to make it easy to use it. And as the last video, I decided to add the formula here that you know that we better memorize for our exam and for easier use in the exam as well. So, okay, let's calculate it. So the formula said that accounts receivable turnover ratio is equals to net credit sales divided by average accounts receivable. We already know the net sales here, that the problem is giving us that information, but we don't know the average. But we all know that the average, we can find it by adding the beginning plus the ending balance, and we're going to divide it by 2 to find the average, right? So now we know the average, and the formula said that we're going to find the account receivable turnover ratio by dividing net sales divided by the average account receivable. So we do it, and I love Excel because we can do it very easy. And we have the answer. So it says that we must round our answer to 1 decimal. So the answer here gonna be 3.2. I mean 7.2. The second part of this, it says that we must find the average collection period in days. And then the formula, I put the formula here as well. And it says that the average collection period is 365, which is the days of the year, divided by the account receivable turnover ratio. And we already have that information. So we're just gonna, we're just gonna put that 365 divided by our ratio. So we have the answer, and we are asked again to use just one rounded and to 1 decimal. So the answer gonna be 51 days. And well, this is all in the problem in this exercise. I hope that you can understand me. I did my best putting all together so you can follow through my talk, and the exercise is not difficult exercise, but if you have any question or comment, please put it on the discussion board. I will be checking for them, and good luck with your exercise. Thank you for watching.